us doing the assignment operator. So remember, from the first example that we did in chapter 1, we could say x is equal to 0.5. Okay, so what is x? Is of course 0.5, but if I say x is 3.9 times x times 1 minus x. Okay, so now x has a new value, which is 0.975. Okay, same thing with Celsius. I'm going to use C for short. C is 25. And then I can say F for Fahrenheit. I'm going to say x is 9 divided by 5 times Celsius C plus 32. So remember the order of operations. First, we're going to do this. So divide 9 by 5. We get a value somewhere around very close to 2. Then we're going to multiply it by C. Then we're going to add 32. So F is holding 77.0. All right, so another thing we talked about is that my var can take a value initially, let's say 6, and then my var is 6, but it can be updated at any time you want, let's say to 10, and then my var is pointing to my value. That's why. So I'm gonna redo this. My var is 10. Okay, still the same error. Okay, now it's my var. For some reason, I keep saying var. Okay, 10. Notice that Python never said that, okay, you've created this already, you can't recreate that. No, it knows that we did. It just allows us to update its value. And the next is, remember, we talked about the parallel assignment. We can say, let's see if x is 10 and then y is 6. Okay. In normal cases, if I want to swap those values, here's what I should do. I should create a temp and put x into temp. Then I want to put y into x. And then I want to put temp. I'm going to put temp into y. Okay, let's see if it works. If it does work, so x should have 6, y should have 10. Okay, so what is x? 6. What is y? 10. All right, so this is normally how you should do, but with parallel assignment, you can swap them. Let's give them new values. Let's want them to be 5 and the other one to be 7. We can swap them by x comma y equal to y comma x. And then new values, x is 7, right? It used to be 5. And then y is 5, used to be 7. Okay. They can also be used inside. Let's keep the current values. They can also be used side. They can be used. Let's do a and b. Change the names. Or we can say sum and diff are equal to x plus y and then x minus y. So sum is the sum, diff is the difference. All right. So yeah, in the next video, we're going to talk about definite loops.